Bori, Riok, and Shikoi. Can you make any connectional links to what your relationship is to those beings?
Shikoi is something that is primarily focused on connections to the natural world. The others have to do with hybridization agendas and the evolution of your planet transforming into the 6th hybrid race.
So you're working with them as well? Okay.
Not directly, but we all work together in a variety of ways according to our own preferences and our own passions.
Okay, so I started having a Sasani being by the name of Riok coming through. He identifies himself as like a hybrid children raising specialist. So he helps to impart different skills into the children, all allowing for now our energy to begin to emanate into the channel. And at this point, we are now opening ourselves up to be of service to you in whatever way, shape, or form you see fit. And we thank you for co-creating this particular interaction.
Thank you.
This is just a big shout out to Riok for the wonderful guidance and reminders and teachings. Thank you for this program. I'm able to access the flow state easily and effortlessly. My imagination has expanded. My ability to imagine things more clearly has expanded through all the meditations that we've done.
It's just so incredible to experience a guided group meditation with Riok. And after the meditation, I can still feel the energy from Riok and the group. And I can also feel the power from the exercise pulsating through my body. And that's just amazing.
Years with Riok has helped me expand my awareness greatly. And I am able to dream recall now. I wasn't able to recall my dreams, and now I am. After the last week's meditation, I'm able to recall my dream. I'm so really excited for that. And just being in his presence energetically, it's you can literally feel it in your body, like viscerally, the upgrades, and it's just amazing. I'm really grateful.
Hi, I'm taking Tyler Ellison's First Contactee Training Program with Riok, and I'm loving it. The meditations are very powerful, and everyone in the group is so enthusiastic.
And what you're saying, but could you speak to us from the level of where you're coming from, where you interact with your species?
We would not be using words.
All right, so can we do that right now without using words?
We are doing a little bit, but the idea is to allow for your sensitivity to increase.
How would we do that?
By allowing for yourself to become quiet.
Okay.
If you wish, bring your attention to your pineal. And breathe from the pineal.
I'm getting it, but I also feel like there's something stopping that, like a kind of covering.
Yes, the idea is there are certain lenses that you use. Some of these lenses for perception are more clear than others. The idea is as you go into the pineal to select a lens of perception that allows for less expectation and allows for more unlimited potentiality to be available to you. Because when you begin to go inwards, many of you are still using the same lens of perception that you use when you interface with members of your collective.
Exactly. So how do we change that lens?
The idea would be to create a way within yourself to consciously recognize, all right, that's one point of view that I utilize when I am interacting with members of my human family. And it's all well and good, but right now I'm going to have a moment that's outside of that. And to consciously choose to put that lens down. And begin to imagine you're picking up a pair of sunglasses, if you wish. And these sunglasses have lenses that are programmable. You can even imagine they're made of crystal, if you wish. And begin to program into these lenses whatever types of reality experiences you wish to interact with, and begin to imagine the sunglasses are being programmed with such, and beginning to believe that this is possible and available for you, being detached from whether or not it actually occurs. So that way you're not invested in a particular outcome. And the idea is to simply put these glasses of the unlimited point of view on. And as you go into the pineal breathing, you'll be using those lenses. And it can allow for you to have much more expansive experiences. Because remember...